la place par là. La plaza.
La plaza?
oui.
No, no. España.
España.
Aquí para allá. Todo recto aquí para ver los cortadores.
¿Portadores?
La gente que trabaja la piel.
Ah, ok.
Hoy está el último día que viene la gente de la montaña que trabaja el color y todo recto. La primera aquí. Gracias y shukran.
Gracias. Shukran.
Okay, so this guy explained a few things and he didn't ask to guide us. So there are people who just out of courtesy would help you. So don't be suspicious immediately. But always be a little bit suspicious. Healthy suspicious. So another small alley. The roof. And in the heat of Marrakesh, walking under this shade is really nice. Really, really nice.
The difference in temperature is noticeable.
So I'm not pointing the camera at anybody because if I point the camera at a shop, they'll immediately start a sale, and I don't want to do a sell video right now. We'll try to do a video of the old square, the old Medina at night, where it's insane what's going on over there, and especially the food. They have like barbecue. The smell is crazy. So we'll try to do a video at night, but we'll see how good the camera behaves under very low lighting. So
during the day they've got cobras, but they charge you for pictures and everything. So
well, of course, because all they have is the cobra. They need to make money somehow.
yeah, of course.
But me being naturally scared of spiders and snakes, I love seeing the cobras, but I kept a very safe distance.
They're huge, black, shiny
Black cobras, and they have vipers as well. So it's not only cobras, they also have vipers. And you see the people, they're walking around with a snake in their hand, just like it's like a bag, like they're holding a belt,
Yeah.
a snake in their hand, and this is not, it's a cobra or a viper. Now I have heard that they defang the snakes, so they're not venomous anymore. But it's still dangerous because they still have the venom. They remove the venom gland, not the fang. The venom glands. Adios, shukran. Sí, pero...
Fuera de la Medina.
Sí, sí, la Medina.
No, la fuera.
Sí, 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 fuera. Ah, vale.
Porque mira la casa.
No, no, no. So, after all.
Speaking English?
Español, inglés.
Una pequeña plaza la segunda.
Ah, vale.
Porque aquí coger fotos, porque una hora cerrado.
Ah,
La
vale.
gente que ya sabe, beber, allí los cortadores.
No, 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 shukran, shukran. No, no, solo.
Él no quiere dinero porque es igual dirección, solo gracias y shukran.
Ah, vale, shukran.
Okay,
Shukran.
shukran.
Mon ami, mon ami, mon ami. Shukran, shukran. Okay, so like I said, some people are just nice because they're nice, and Moroccan people are nice. Even when they ask them for money, they're nice. Anyway, where was I?
so there
Yeah.
is,
So they take out the... Over there. So like we said, every street here is a road. So here's a very big car coming through.
No problem for your direction.
Shukran.
It's free.
Thank you.
Where come from?
We come from Spain,
Bienvenidos.
from Valencia.
Valencia, la Mestalla.
Ah, good. Excellent. Yeah, everybody knows Barcelona and Real Madrid. Mestalla, not so.
familia la Mestalla.
Ah, sí?
Sí.
Eh,
Trabajamos a la fruta.
ah, sí?
Sí.
Los vendedores de frutas y verduras.
Sí.
Ah, vale. Pero mucha gente de Pakistán en Valencia.
Sí.
Tu familia de Marruecos.
My uncle Mohammed.
Yeah.
Aquí a Valencia.
Ah, vale. ¿Conoce dónde?
Sí.
¿Dónde está la tienda?
No.
Porque nos compramos muchas verduras y frutas de
Pero aquí no hablamos mucho español.
inglés.
English little bit.
Little bit. Oh, but it's good.
Yes. You're welcome.
Smile is international.
Yes.
Wow. Look at this. Small road, but many vehicles. A butcher, but this is a good one. They have coolers and everything. Okay, so the snakes. Yeah, so I know they take out the venom glands. They leave the fangs. The fangs they leave, but they take out the venom glands, which is still very dangerous because many times many times it can regrow. And those people just hold the snakes in their hand like it's a piece of, like it's a bag or something, you know. It's insane. So we keep a safe distance. We saw it from afar because I believe that we have a natural, healthy fear of snakes and spiders. But they are over there, which is nice to see. But if you're brave enough to get close, go for it. But I'm not, I have to admit. And Natalie, are you brave enough to go close to the snakes?
No.
No.
Not at all.
No, not at all. Not at all. Okay, guys. So this is another one of the small valleys with a trillion cars going through. You have to be careful. Okay, so we'll see you later when we at night. I think we'll try to do a video at night. Hopefully it will come out nicely, so we'll show it to you. And if it comes out too grainy and the image is not really good, so we won't post it up. But hopefully we'll post a little bit at least. At least we'll try to post the food of the Medina.
The food places.
Yeah, unfortunately we can't pass the smells through the camera because the smells are amazing. Amazing.
It's very difficult to choose which stand to stop and eat, right?
Yeah. And right now there aren't any stands. The stands start only from 8, but they last until like 1, 2 in the morning, and
they've got music.
Yeah. Wow. We'll try to show you the action at night. Okay, guys. Yeah. No, this is one of the mosques. Yeah. Okay, guys. So now they're closing everything for the afternoon. Just like in Spain, they have siesta when the sun is the hottest. And I have to say, the sun is getting a bit hot. Yeah. Okay, guys. So we'll see you at night when we have our meat. And maybe today is Friday, so we're going to have couscous. If we will have couscous, we'll show you the couscous. Okay, so when we have couscous, hopefully today we will have couscous. We'll show you. Yeah. Okay, guys. So see you later.
Yeah, see you soon.
Bye.